In this video, we show you how to save time by turning on one particular setting in your HubSpot CRM. This setting will automatically create and associate companies with your contacts. It sounds like a lot, but it's really easy to do, so check it out.
This is a setting that you can turn on in the settings menu. Go to the main navigation to the gear icon, which is the settings menu. Then in the left side menu, scroll down to contacts and companies. Then click the second tab where it says companies and scroll down to automatically create and associate companies with contacts. Take this and turn this switch on, confirm this, and now this setting is turned on. So when you create a new contact, it will take the domain name and it will create a new company. You'll notice when we create this contact and we're taken immediately to the contact record, HubSpot has already created the company for us, Pittsburgh Internet Consulting, based on my email domain name. If we go into the company records, we will see that Pittsburgh Internet Consulting has been created because we turned that setting on.